That's unfortunate. So today is the SR Heritage Japan Car Show and Drift Day. And this is only one parking lot here at Fuji, and it's basically all S chassis. Look at this rad S15 behind me. Like, I could spend all day here, but let's get inside and check it out. First time here at Fuji, so it's gonna be a good bit of exploring, but just look at this. So good, so many. If this is just the parking, like, excited to see what the show looks like. So let's do a nice big pit walk. Quite the lineup today. 396 motoring, 180 sod Ebisu. Just, you know, a variety of setups. This one is on Nismo throttle bodies. Where are my Nismo nerds at? That is neat. Oh man, that is awesome. ピストンとかは入ってますか？入ってます。コンプレッションはどのくらいですか？12。12? No. Or camは270. Oh, pro cam? Yeah. Solid? Solid, yes. このスロットルが珍しいですよね。ニーズモですね。ニーズモ N2 スロットル。N2? すげえ。コンピューターは何使ってますか？レイテック。レイテック？透明の？タコ足は何のタコ足ですか？ ESR N2 マニー。いいね。もう音いい。多分これがこのイベントの中でこれが一番珍しいと思います。かっこいい。So yeah, he's getting ready to go out on track now. Here's what makes this track day a little extra cool. Look at these spares and what they rolled in on.
this event pulling a crowd or the combination of everything's pulling a crowd. It's gonna be a big day. Here's what I was excited to see in person. There's the new Yoshio factory aero on their S15. So I forget what he calls it, but I mean, it's wide, recreating the full exterior lines in a totally new way. Yeah, I've only seen pictures online, so I'm curious to see in person what it looks like. Pink is beautiful, it's so wide. Yeah, those are 19s, which look large. I don't know if they're 20s, they are so large looking. Really unique profile on it. And next to that, like the standard version, the wide version. I don't know, what do you guys think? A little more local to me. Here is B-Wave. Pro Shop Wave with their old school retro style. Nice juxtaposition between it and the Yoshio cars. Little, what's that, wastegate out the side there? Beautiful Longchans. Maybe SSR mesh on the back, small wheels, big wing, his signature. We got everyone out today. Naoki's car. Naoki himself with Hibino. There's Miki there. The definition of the shakoage, or the raised up, the lifted up style. SR, the CDO6, 25G maybe? Big. And we got Rodex style here, so that's Kazama-san. Personal cars. Looks like Miki's S13 maybe. Just one after the other. G Corporation S15. Of course, G Corporation Aero, G Core Aero. Their front bumper is really cool. A little bit different than normal, but like really simple-ish as well. And this with this S15 has the G Core front and rear over fender spats, like flares, whatever you want to call them. Some hybrid in between with G Core front bumper. Nice look as well. There's crazy turnout here, and this is only the drift event. This was limited to 60 cars, and then the actual car show portion was limited to 400 cars. So I'm gonna make my way over there and check that out. It's just so noisy here with all these like NA cars ripping around straight piped. These could not be more night and day of each other. We have a Koki, 2J, and then old Chuki maybe? Chuki bumper anyway, 180, totally stock aero. Like two different worlds. This thing is built to the max. Nice 2J, huge plenum. It says KTD, I think on the throttle body. Again, electric throttle bodies are taking over here too. It's got a water pump down there. All you young guys out there wondering how Japan does their tube fronts, it's like this. Looks like maybe a Tomei blow-off valve, which is kind of based on the Evo 8, I think, blow-off valve. Really interesting setup. Koki aero or stock body, S chassis or full aero, crazy S chassis. I love them either way. Great looking SR setup in here. Nothing crazier over the top. Still got some stock piping in there. And the manifold says S&A Auto Create. It's got some good coloring on it. Interesting shape to it. This might be the most E-famous car here. I don't know. I've been following this guy for a long time, and it's the strongest case for BN aero I've seen to date. With the VSKFs on there as well. What a setup. The BN wide body, it's just a big flare. And the front, these front fenders, I thought I've always had the coolest vent. Big flare with the super aggressive vent. Look at that guy. That's low style done right. Slight break in the noise because there was an off, and looks like demo runs coming for like the more pro cars. Naoki's going out. Looking at these cars compared to the car show cars, you can like really appreciate these guys are drifting them looking like this. Low and classy, styled out. Gangster emits on there. You got the Integra lip on the nav and front bumper. Emitses are cool. They used to be, there's a while there, they got popular and then they died off for years, and they've kind of made a comeback recently, which is really neat. Another Zenki. Love the Zenki love. This one on 326 Mitsuda Power 3D Star up front at least. Almost looking like a magician car. Full look on this 180. It's got the steelies, cool little door accent vinyl there. I don't know, it might be a repop Zenki bumper on there. Very cool look though. Really good look here. More Works 9 Koki. Just such a good color, that fuchsia. So good. Another clean stock bodied low on TE37Vs. Zinky bumpers are making a comeback. And then a taxi. Looks like our ITV buddy survived the day. So cool. Follow this guy on the grams. It's a Zinky again. Man, I keep going to Zinkies. Anyway, again, this version Rocket Bunny on 13s and 14s, or I guess Zinky 14s. It's really good. Adds a little bit of aggression, but it's still sleek and smooth. And with these white TE37s on this like deep red whatever color, it's really cool. Back in the drift area at just the end of the day, been running around, but want to look at a few more cars. But it really puts it in perspective, like these guys are driving these low cars hard, and they can take them right up the hill, park them with the rest of the show, and they would fit right in. A lot of respect for how they look and how they're driving them. Red on white TEs combo, like that's classic, so good. So many TEs today, but it's hard to beat that. Reverse might have one of the best colored combo liveries going. All the green and yellows flowing back and forth. It's a really sharp look. Aggressive, bright, easy to see, easy to read. And they got like a whole matching team of them, which is even better. Maybe best of show. And then maybe best of drift show. All good choices. Miki's S13 is thumping. So cool. Unfortunately, it looks like the day was not without carnage. That's too bad. I saw this guy earlier and really enjoyed how clean it was. Hopefully it's back and better than ever. Tension rod ripped out, lower arms bent, coilover snapped back. It looked like a pretty good push. That's unfortunate. I really enjoyed seeing this car in the beginning of the day, so hopefully you can get it brought back to its former glory. So here we go on the other side. Look at that. Good work, dude. All right, so we'll wrap it up there from Fuji at the SR Drift Meeting at the multi-purpose drift course. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that stuff. It really helps grow the channel. Shares are really effective in helping grow the channel. So share to somebody who think you'll like it. More content from Japan on the channel as well. We got time attack, we got drifting. Yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care, be well.